So we're in the basement and we picked up a dehumidifier. And I think it's a nice one, but we haven't tested it yet. Still in the box. But the first thing to do is where are we plugging it in? Because I have not wired this basement. I have not done much to the wiring. A little bit here and there. But here's something I don't like. So the junction box is down, facing down. I know it's easier to work on, but here's my issue. First of all, it's down, so you end up running wires like this. Now it comes over to the box from here. This is a mess. We'll be changing this. But why run it up, over, and then exposed to the box? Why not run it over there, up, well actually up, over to here? Or better yet, even have a nice hole so you can pass it through this floor joist. And then have it all right there mounted on the side, so it's not facing down. Now one might say, well, I want to hook a light in there like this. But then this is like asking to get broken off when you're moving stuff around. Same way with that one, same thing. Easy place to smash stuff. So I prefer to have them up in. You still get most of the light, if not all the same light. Or even sideways, you don't get as much, or maybe you get as much. It's more important for me to not have it so I can easily be breaking the ball, moving stuff around. So I think the first thing I'm going to do, the other thing I don't like about this, it's one of those shallow boxes. Wiring is hard enough without cramming a bunch of wires into one little box and smashing them in there, because that increases the chance of one coming loose. So I like deeper boxes. In this case, I can get another, I can double it up. You can get those blanks that go on top of this. I don't know if that's what they're called, but I know they have them. So I think that's what I'm going to do on this one. And then also rewire it over. And then I can connect, because right now I think it's just running lights. But I need to follow the wiring. This house doesn't have enough. It's a 50 amp service with way too much connected to it. So that'll be a next task, is to run new wiring to the house. But until then, I can straighten up some of this. So ideally, I would like the wire. I would like an outlet over here for the washer and dryer. And that way we can put the dehumidifier over here. Now they did have over on this side an outlet for the dehumidifier, and that one went into the big hole here, maybe a dry well we'll call it. But I really don't want to do that. I'd rather, this one has a pump on it, so we can put it right into the drain line. So I plan on taking this off the wall, moving it up. And the 220 that was connected here, I've already pulled over to here. Has all the wire on it, so I can reroute that over to there too. Okay, so that's what I'll be working on. Coming up with a nice board here to connect them to. Probably, yeah, I gotta figure that out, where I would like the outlets to be. We got all this duct work here, so that's not a good spot there. Yeah, I'm not sure yet. I've got to think about this one.